Welcome you all. I'm Dr. K. Vasuki. Would like to discuss about clinical social work. What is clinical social work? In the world, everyone has some kind of problems. Problems are part of our life, isn't it? Everyone must be hope with the situation. They are capable of cope with difficult situations, issues, and are incapable of fix the problem on their own. However, some people may need a help or helping hand for solving some of their toughest problem in their life, like poverty, abuse, addiction, and disabilities. They cannot overcome with their own resources. They expect someone's assistance to find out something for more stable. Because the main goal of social work is to help individuals in need to improve the qualities of their life and their well-being. So, social worker must help the people with variety of problem like financial problem, behavioral problem, health related problem and social issues. In the field of social work, professional might work with all types of people like children, adults, elderly, individuals from all social and financial and ethical classes. Here, you may ask, why do we need clinical social workers? Individuals struggling with issues such as poverty, medical problems such as mental health issues, addiction, or learning disabilities, behavioral problem, and abuses, etc. Individuals, those who are not able to solve their problem on their own, obviously they find someone's help as a social worker or maybe a clinical social worker to get assistance. Here, clinical social worker plays vital role of assisting the disadvantaged people to find and utilize the services that can improve the quality of their lives as well as well-being of the disadvantaged people. First of all, you should understand the difference between clinical and non-clinical social worker. Non-clinical social worker can practice with a minimum of a bachelor's degree, but within a quotation, for clinical social worker, a master or doctorate degree in social work is necessary, and they have to spend 2 to 3 years working in supervised position in clinical settings. Can clinical social worker prescribe medicine? No. Clinical social worker can diagnose the patients and provide counseling treatment. But, put in the quotation, but cannot prescribe medicine, but can refer to the licensed medical professionals. A definition of clinical social work practice. Clinical social work is the professional application of social work theories and methods for what? To diagnosis and for the treatment and also prevention of psychosocial dysfunctional disability or impairment including emotional, mental and behavioral disorder. Clinical social workers are highly talented and trained professionals that they can find different ways to provide proper care with the application of social work theories and methods from field of such as psychology or education for intervention and for the treatment. Clinical social worker takes into account of all factors that affects behavior including mental illness, brain defects, injuries and addiction as well as family and romantic relationship, socio-economic condition of the family and the beliefs of the client. Why? Because clinical social work practice without those information we cannot give clinical care to enhance, promote, maintain and restore the best possible social functioning of the client, families and groups. In clinical social work, based on the agency setting, they provide services like remedial services, preventive services, and developmental oriented services. எல்லா எல்லா விளக்கும் விளக்கல்ல சான்றோருக்கு பொய்யா விளக்கே விளக்கு புறத்தின் இருளை போக்கும் விளக்குகளை விட அகத்தின் இருளை போக்கும் பொய்யாமை எனும் விளக்கே ஒருவனை உயர்ந்தோன் என காட்டும் ஒளிமிக்க விளக்காகும். ஸோ ஒரு கிளைண்டோட நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்றப்ப அவனுக்கு வெளி தோற்றமா மாத்திரை மருந்து கொடுக்கறத விட உள் தோற்றத்துல அவனுக்கு புரிய வைக்கணும் பிரச்சனைக்கான காரணம் என்ன, அவனுடைய திறமை என்ன, அவனுடைய லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் என்ன, அதை அவன் ஏத்துக்கிட்டானாவே பாதி பிரச்சனை சால்வ் ஆகும். ஸோ அஸ் அ கிளினிக்கல் சோசியல் ஒர்க்கரா த்ரூ கவுன்சிலிங் அவனுடைய புறத்தின் இருளை போக்குறதுக்காக நம்ம இங்க வேலை செய்யறோம். Next one is clinical social work practice. It applies theories and methods to explore the origin of the behavior because theory gives systematic way of understanding and resolution of particular problem. Clear? While practicing clinical social work, the value of social works which was mentioned in National Associations for Social Workers like service, competence, social justice, dignity and worth of the person, integrity, importance of human relationship are to be followed for empowering people. Is very much focused about the theories of psychosocial theories and human development theories. It mainly focuses on human diversity and multiculturalism because people or maybe client should be understood by their varying cultural experiences due to race, ethnicity, gender, class, region, etc. In clinical social work, social worker and the client have meaningful and purposeful relationship. That is, social worker should consciously ensure that client is capable of doing and also is able to access all the possible support to enable themselves. Clinical social workers can work in the area of identifying, diagnosing mental health problems that may exist and possibly finding supporting services that can be utilized to promote recovery of individuals. The National Association of Social Workers gives guidelines on what clinical social worker should be capable of doing for client. First one is establish and maintain a relationship of mutual respect, acceptance and trust. In clinical social work, the client and the social worker should accept each other and their responsibility. They are in the position to respect each other and to have trust on them. Without that, they cannot have meaningful or good relationship, and without that, they could not have purposeful relationship. There is no meaning in it. Next one is gather and interpret social and personal environmental and health information. For understanding the problem, social workers should collect information from various sources on personal and environmental and also cultural aspect, because all the factors are interconnected or interlinked. Next one is evaluate and treat problem within their scope of practice. Clinical social worker treat clients psychosocial and behavioral problems to help client better environment within their permitted spaces. Next, establish achievable treatment goal with the client. Okay. Clinical social worker should assist the client on possible ways of solving problems. Here, client has rights to choose about what they need. That's called self-determination. That is their right to choose. So, client and social worker should establish achievable goal based on the client ability and knowledge. Goal should be simple as well as achievable and also measurable. Plan treatment goal. Social worker facilitate cognitive, affective and behavioral changes on client. And continuously, clinical social worker should evaluate the service provided to the client so that they can find their pros and cons. Sorry. While implementing the treatment plan, social worker must identify the resources which need an assessment instrument to measure. The social worker must collaborate with others for effective services. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please comment below.